Hey, it's raining, but it's my training day and it's my training time, which means I'll be getting wet and getting out of my comfort zone for sure. It's chilly, it's very wet. I'll be probably soaking wet by the end of my training, but I have my extra clothes to change afterwards, so I'll be fine. The best thing is, with such a weather, you have the whole trail for yourself. There's like literally no one else. Here's what it looks like on the top. Yep, I'm gonna accomplish the slope. We'll see how it goes with the camera. Ooh. I always wanted to do that. Let's see if I can. Woo! There we go. Woo! It feels like you're in a car, but you're not. And it's so cool and fresh. And as I said, there's no one. Woo! Okay, I survived. I can skate and videotape myself. New skill unlocked.